Oh shit, nearly slipped. Oh shit.
That wasn't there earlier.
That weren't there earlier.
No, I said footsteps there.
That wasn't there. No shit. Was that really not there earlier?
No, I looked up and it was not there.
Oh shit.
Who was it?
Right guys, this weren't here earlier. We came in this building earlier and this wasn't here.
That way. It's heavy, yeah. That way. But the top of the stairs one.
Yeah.
No, actually it says not the top page.
What was that? Joe. Joe, we're in a great good fucking place here, Joe. I'm glad she's not come really because you have to climb through windows and stuff. She'll get me.
No one here.
Hello, you fucking twats.
I heard you. You know, earlier you did tell him to make a noise up here.
No.
It's your back getting wet through.
Shall we going to turn the lights off as well when we're up here?
Yes, you should put in shed.
Can you put it in
It's
shed?
possible.
Shall we turn the lights off when we're up here?
You can do.
And we'll sit quiet for 5 minutes and see if we can hear anything.
That's the white floor or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Oi, that one not there earlier. Tissue and fucking shit.
Oh, no, we weren't.
Oi, there's some tissue
Someone
and
has
shit
been up here. Someone has been up here. Hello? Hello?
They can't be on it.
Why?
Put your bag.
I don't mind if it's there.
Shit.
Mum says you can buy it next time with your bag.
I've just seen a shadow down there.
There's some tissue and shit in
I can hear
No,
noises.
there, Nico.
I can hear noises. Sounds like I'm walking.
Yeah, but it's right, look there, look.
Oh, right, yeah. And this is dangerous, guys. You don't want to cross this because we'll end up falling. So I think we'll just stand here. What's that say? Your dad sucks big dick. I'm going to blame that. I'm going to blame that one out.
Oi, Shannon, we need to try and find a way down there.
That's disgusting.
Because if we go downstairs,
There, look, read it down.
it's got to be somewhere down
Jessica Mario.
there. It says Checkers America.
Yeah.
It's like, that needs something. I can't get the word.
I'm going to snapshot that and put it on Facebook.
Massive D.
Right, guys, we are going to another abandoned place on Monday. We can say that location because I'm allowed.
Yes, it is. That animal shit. Or person
There's
shit.
been an animal in here. So, guys, we're going to an abandoned place on Monday. It's called the Old Wagon Factory, but we can't give this location out because this is a secret one. But we can tell you that one on Monday. So we're going to a wagon factory at some afternoon. That's been burnt, hasn't it?
Someone's at a fire, but there's no burn marks on.
Should I turn the lights off for a minute and sit on the stairs like here where it's dark? Shit, I just hear something.
Go into the house, yeah. Hello?
So you wait there. You'll be right on your own. I'll wait here. You wait there and I'll go down and have a look. Oh, shall we all go?
Hello?
Hello?
I can hear a car ringing.
Shit. Can you? Oh, it's not cops.
If you come in, you can hear like a tractor or a van. Listen. It's getting really close now.
Oh, shit. No.
Is the house across?
Have we been to that side yet?
Oh, I don't know where's the house across from us.
Yeah. Have we been to that side? Don't think we
no,
have.
I don't think we have.
You right, Shannon? What? What? Have you noticed something? Yeah, I know. We noticed that earlier. But I didn't notice. Come on, darling.
It's one of them we're right next to road, aren't we though?
Yeah.
There's a road cleaner.
Well, I think we have been on this side. I think we have been on this side.
I don't think we went all the way through that bit from there. though.
Should we have a look? Then we can head back. Because your mum said don't belong, didn't she? Oh, do we go up there?
No, would it go?
Oh no, can we get that there?
Should be.
Go you first then. I'll leave it to Curtis always first. Yeah, we will. We'll sit on that stairs and have a fag.
Oh shit, again wet.
Oh yeah, we did come here. We did. We actually did.
Oh, don't put that on, it makes you fucking keep tight the bandage over.
Yeah, it will.
That car, whatever, is really.
Yeah. Turn that off in case somebody hears it. My advice is turn it off. Should we go sit on the stairs and have a fag?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we can go, can't we? So I think we've looked at everything now, haven't we? We'll come back here on Friday, shall we? And I'll bring me a crop equipment and you'll be on my YouTube channel. Do you want to come here Friday then, Shannon?
Yeah, but I want to go to Wick Morgan.
No, we'll go to that one on Monday and then we'll come to this one on Friday, yeah? Because I'm going to bring my proper camera.
For this place.
Because my camera will put all the sounds on because I've got a professional microphone. Hey?
Somebody's watching me. Drop it down here.
Hey?
Shall I slide in between them?
She wants to slide down there, Curtis.
And have a look if there's anything.
No, I wouldn't follow you because... No, you can't get down there anyway. There's nothing down there. Where are you gone? Oh, he's gone upstairs. Is he? I hope he's not going to make us jump. Are you up there? He's hiding, he's not saying it. Oh my god! What the fuck sound with that? That was fucking awesome! That sounded like Lord of the fucking Rings! Holy shit! Should we come here Friday then?
Yeah.
Do you want to? And I'll bring me proper equipment.
You walk straight fucking past me! Oh. I turned off my fucking torch so you can see my torch shining.
Look how big drop that is from here. So guys, I think that's it for this adventure. We're going to be going in a second, so thank you very much. Love you all and see you soon.